homework, remember the test is tomorrow, part 1. There'll be 2. It's a final semester, there's 2 parts. Okay. This is day 3 of the review. Please have your child study yesterday's and the day before and Friday's classwork homework. It's very important. Everything on there will be on the test. Raven is saving for a new outfit. After 2 weeks, her allowance to a saving account, she has $12. After 4 weeks, her saving account had $20. Okay, write this linear relation in point-slope form. Okay, point-slope form is y minus y1 equals to m parentheses x minus x1. Okay, that's point-slope form. Now, in order point-slope form, we need to use our information and write, find the slope. So it's 2 weeks for 2 weeks for $12. Okay, and then the other one is she saved, let me do the work over here. Let me do the work over here. 2 weeks for $12, and the other one is 4 weeks for $20. Okay, we need to find the m here. We can choose a point. I'm going to choose 2 and 12, but I need to find m. This is x1, y1, okay? So I'm going to choose 2 and 12 as my x1, y1. So I need to find my m, though. In order to find m, I need to take the change in y. That's m is the change in y over the change in x. That's how you find slope. So the change in y, I'm going to go upward. It changed from $20 to $12. Okay, so m equals. So because I went from 20 to 12, I went from 20, I need to go from 4 to 2. 4 to 2. I do this so that I don't deal with negatives. M equals to 8 over 2, then m equals 8. Okay, this is, keep in mind also these are dollars right here. So these are dollars. So $20 minus $12 is $8. And the bottom one here are weeks. This is from 4 weeks and then it reduced to 2 weeks. That's a difference of 2 weeks. Okay? And this can be reduced then to 4 over 1, $4, and for 1 week. Okay? Or just 4. That's my slope. So my slope here is just 4. Okay? Now you substitute the 4 in there to get y minus 12 equals to 4 parentheses x minus 2. Okay, and then you distribute 4x, distribute, minus 8, y minus 12. Okay, you would add 12 to both sides. Y equals 4x plus 4. And then you have to graph it. Use this information to graph over here. Okay? Okay. Remember, your x are weeks. And this is x and this is y. and your y is the dollar amount right here. If you see it, I'm going to change it to red right here, the dollar amount. So the y is dollar amount. So here, your y, you would write dollar. And this is basically dollar they're saving, or who Raven is saving, how many dollars she's saving. And the X talks about in weeks. She's saving it in weeks. So the X right here is weeks. You need to label the independent. The X is independent. The Y is your dependent. Okay, and you need to number the graph 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. You don't need to number it that, just to help you see. Okay, your y-intercept, you graph this, your y-intercept is at 4. Okay, your y-intercept here is at 4. Okay, so B is at 4. Your slope is 4 over 1, or $4 for every 1 week. So that means up $4 for every one, go right 1 week. Okay, up $4 is 1, 2, 3, $4, right $1. I mean, right 1 week for 1 week. Up 1, 2, 3, $4 for every 1 week. 1, 2, 3, $4 for every 1 week. Okay, and you can continue on forever that way. What is your rate of change? So the rate of change is 4 over 1, which means $4 for every 1 week. Okay. Determine the coordinates. I need to put an S here. Determine the coordinates for the y-intercept and explain what it means. Determine the coordinates for the y-intercept and explain what it means. Okay. The coordinate y-intercept, you guys, is 4. You know it's 4, but its coordinate is 0, 4. Is the y-intercept. And it means this is week, this is dollar. At 0 week, who are we talking about? Raven has already saved $4. Okay, then here you graph these. Now when there's nothing, notice there's nothing here. If there's nothing there, it is a +0, not a 1. A 1 is the one next to a variable. In this case, it's a 0, okay? A 0 there. So you start right there. So your B is 0, your slope is -3 over 1. That means you go from 0, you go up, down, -3, 1, 2, 3, right 1. Down 1, 2, 3, right 1. 1, 2, 3, right 1. Run out of room the other way. Up 1, 2, 3. Okay, to keep it lined up. Alright. That is your line. Okay, so here there's nothing. If there's nothing, it's a 0. So right there is a 0. Okay, from there, that's your B, your starting point. Your slope is the other number, which is 2 over 1. That means you go up 1, 2 over 1. 1, 2 over 1. 1, 2 over 1. And you get this nice line of 1, 2 over 1. Okay, and connect it, and that's it. Okay, most classes, oh, don't delete, wipe that out, okay. That's it, I think, and we finished the rest in class. Make sure you know all these. Make sure you know them, because I will have them on the test. Okay, make sure you know them.